Did you know you can use Grok AI for free again with no limits? Most people think you need to pay, but there's actually a simple way to access it without spending anything. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Mvumbi. Please subscribe to the channel, share, and like the video. Thank you so much for your love and support. Now, let me show you how.
Grok AI is no longer available on free version. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get access to Grok AI still for free and unlimited. I'm going to show you step by step on how to do this. So stay with me until the end of this video. And if you are new, please subscribe to my channel. My name is Mvumbi, and today's video is all about Grok AI. I'm going to show you how you can access Grok AI for free without paying and unlimited. So this is our Grok AI right now. That's how it is. If you want to create any video, they are going to tell you need to pay. It's not free any longer. Okay, so now I'm going to show you. I want you to come here, come to Google and type GeminiGen AI. Okay, so this is going to pop on here. Click this one here. I want you to go and sign up with them. So let me show you step by step. Once you here, this is going to be their dashboard, and come here, sign up with them. Okay, so once you come sign up with them, use this one, register with your Google account. So if you go Google account, you can sign up with them. It's free, right? So this is going to be your dashboard here. Okay, this is going to be a dashboard. The quality is very good here, I can see. So you can have access to Grok AI. So this one here, first thing I want to show you how you can create video. Yeah, so here, video gem. Okay, we come here, and here you can choose here, this is a Grok AI. You see, he's free. Okay, and this Grok 3 is free. Here we're going to put our prompt here, and here you can change aspect ratio, like the way it used to be Grok 16 by 9, 9 by 16, square, and you can choose here resolution is 480 or 7020, and duration you can choose 6 seconds or 10 seconds. Now let me explain one thing here. Grok AI, before when you use free version, it used to be resolution used to be 480 and duration used to be 6 seconds. Here is the same thing. If you want a high resolution, you have to pay, or if you want 10 seconds, you have to pay. So I'm going to show you step by step. So stay with me here until the end of this video, because this is very, very important. You don't want to miss anything in this video. Okay, so here I'm going to show you, like, let's say here we're going to put our prompt here. So I already have my prompt from ChatGPT here. Let's go to ChatGPT. This is my prompt. I want to create this. So I'll come here and I'm going to paste here. Okay, so I'm going to choose, I want the video to be 16 by 9. Okay, and everything is set. Once you finish here, I'm going to click here. You see here, I'm going to click generate with Grok. So let's give a few minutes and you see the video is going to be generated. Okay, this is that's my video. Look at this. Let me play this video. You can see. Okay, this is the first video. You see how quality is still quality good. The quality is very good. Okay, so this is my first video here. Yeah, so I want to show you one thing here. Can you see here, model is Grok AI, duration 6 seconds, used credit 0. I want you to pay your attention. See here is the 40 credit they give you every day, but Grok AI here is free. This credit they're going to use when you start to use other AI. You see here, this is Sora AI. So these kind of places where if you want to use these, then they're going to start to take your credit. But Grok AI is free, so you can create as many video as the way you used to do before. Okay, so this one, once you finish here, I'm going to click here, download, and this video is already downloaded in my computer. Now I'm going to put my second prompt. Okay, second prompt here. I come here of my story. I copy this one from ChatGPT, and I'm coming here to Grok AI. I'm coming to paste here. Okay, and I'm going to click generate. So you're going to generate again for me. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can use image. Now, before we did it was text to video. I'm going to show you how to use image to video. So come here, imagine here. I'm going to create an image. Okay, so this is the image. See this one? Look how nice it look. It look nice, isn't it? So this is the image we did it from Nana Banana. So I'm going to download this video here, this image. You can download here this image, and you can come here. You see here now we're going back to our video gem. Come here. Okay, so we come here now. Instead of putting our text to video, now we're going to do image to video. So I'm going to click this one here, and I'm going to upload my image from the computer. I go this one. Let's use this one here. Okay, so this is a reference image for reference. Now I'm coming here. I'm going to put a simple prompt. Okay, so this simple prompt, and now I'm coming here. I'm going to click here, generate. Let's make sure it's in Grok AI. That's Grok AI free, and I'm going to click here. It's going to start to generate for us. Okay, so our video is ready. Let's have a look. See, this is our video, 6 seconds. Again, let me show you here. Look here, it shows here is Grok AI. It shows here use credit is 0. That means they don't charge you your credit. The credit they give to you for the credit, they don't charge you. This is free. So this is how you get Grok AI for free. And once you finish here, you come here and you click download, and your video is going to be ready for you to use in your computer. So this is exactly the same thing when we used to use Grok AI. Nothing changed, but this one you get here and you do exactly the same. You can use prompt, you can use text to video, and you can use image to video.
And that's it. That's how you can access Grok AI again without paying by using GeminiGen AI. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more videos about AI tools, automation, and ways to create content faster. Also, if you want step-by-step guidance, check out my Gumroad store. I've added detailed guides and resources that will help you get started much quicker. And if you want personal help, I also offer one-to-one coaching where I walk you through everything and answer your questions directly. All the links are in the description below, so make sure to check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.